How to add a quiz to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a quiz to your Instagram story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, at the bottom you'll see multiple options. So from there you can just tap on story. And now here, once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here you can just take a photo for your story, or you can take a photo or videos for your story by tapping on the gallery icon or option, which can be seen in the top bottom left corner of the screen. But here for this video, I'll be just taking the image. Now here, once you have captured the image, you can just swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and once you do that, there multiple options will appear. In that options, what you can do is you can just search for the sticker icon as well. Or here you can just tap on this option that says poll as well. And now here with that, you can just ask or put your question. And now here, once you're done with it, you can give the answer options as well. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on done, and it will add a little quiz type questionnaire on your Instagram story as well. And here, once you're done adding it, you can just tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just tap on share, and it will be shared on your Instagram story. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.